Teledyne Dalsa's Astrocyte, AI training made simple and cost-effective. Thank you for choosing Astrocyte, Teledyne Dalsa's cutting-edge tool for creating custom AI models for machine vision solutions. In this tutorial, we'll show how to create a dataset of images for object detection, though the general steps apply to all modules. Other tutorials explain how to annotate and label the dataset images for model training for each type of module. To begin, start Astrocyte and click on the Object Detection module. In the Dataset tab, click Add. This opens the Create Dataset dialog. First, give the dataset a name. You can also provide more details describing the dataset in the description field. Now we can add the images to the new dataset. Switch to the Resource Selection tab. Right-click in the Locations area and select Add Location. For this tutorial, we will use a sample dataset of simple hardware, such as nuts, screws, washers and crimp terminals. This dataset is included with Astrocyte and is available in the installation directory under Teledyne Dalsa. Astrocyte, Datasets, Hardware, JPEG Images. Click Generate to add the images to the dataset. At this point, you can choose to resize the images or keep the original dimensions. Resizing can be useful if the dataset contains different resolution images, or for testing different image resolutions to see how model performance is affected. In general, inference operations are faster on smaller size images. Higher resolutions, depending on the size and details of objects and type of background, may not necessarily provide better results. Click Save. This copies the images to the Astrocyte server. This operation may take some time, depending on the number of images and any resizing. Note, the original images in the local directory are not modified and remain unchanged. When finished, close the dialog and return to the Dataset tab. The new dataset is in the list of datasets and you can now select it and browse the images. The next step for preparing the dataset for model training is adding annotations and labels to the images, which is covered in another tutorial. We hope that this tutorial will help you to prepare your Astrocyte datasets as quickly as possible. Thanks again for choosing Teledyne Dalsa and Astrocyte.